everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I'm Mercury, and today is the day. It is travel day. It is cruise day. I am going to be sailing on Symphony of the Seas from Cape Liberty, New Jersey, going down to the Caribbean. So this itinerary is going to leave from Cape Liberty. It's going to have a sea day going down the coast. Then it stops at Port Canaveral, Florida. Then it's going to, I don't remember the order off the top of my head. It goes to Nassau, Bahamas and Perfect Day Coco Cay. And then a couple days back up the coast. And I'm so excited for it. So I actually, in the past couple of days, I got an email and some text messages from Royal Caribbean to get to the cruise terminal 2 hours early. And this is because I am sailing the weekend that a nor'easter is coming to the New York City metro area. So, we'll see how this goes. I'm kind of bracing for a choppy, rough first day, but, you know, take it with a grain of salt, so to say. It's vacation, it'll be good, it'll be fine, we're doing it. But yeah, so I'm not sure if that means we actually can leave early or not, or if that means they just need everyone in the terminal clear security so that, like, as soon as they're clear, we can go. There's no dilly-dallying, no dawdling, if you will. We're just going. So I asked the Googles, and the Google said it could go either way. It's basically like they have to stick to a schedule. So whenever they're clear for departure, that's when we'll go. So with that, let's go on a trip. Let's go sail away on Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas. Let's do it. Also, for anyone interested how I care for my fish while I'm away, I have my auto feeder set up to feed Vince every day. It has all of the food in this like tray. So I'll show you. So it has these little compartments by day, and it clicks around, and it'll feed him while I'm gone. Right, Vince? Okay, there he is. Okay, Vince, we're gonna go on a boat. I'll see you in a week. Okay, a lot of traffic, but I made it, and I'm about to get on the ship. About to do it. There is Symphony, here is the gangway. Okay, we are doing it. We're doing it. Get on the boat. On the boat. Okay. And we are on the boat. Oh goodness, I did it. I am on the boat. Okay, first stop is my muster station. And then I gotta get my bearings. But whew, took me 2 hours for what's usually a 15-minute drive. That is because they called us all in early, and it's a like one-lane road. But it's okay. I'm in good spirits. I'm going on a trip. I'm on the boat. We're all good. Let's go muster. Look, they got balloons up top. We got party atmosphere going on. And we are headed down the Royal Promenade. Oh, the party vibes are really helping to shake the traffic blues. I'm feeling the vacation spirit now. So we're just walking through the Royal Promenade as we go. I was told my muster station is at the Royal Theater, so I gotta go all the way to the end here. Oh, we got a Starbucks here. No shortage of coffees. Okay, I am checked in at my muster station. I'm not quite hungry yet, so I'm not running to Windjammer just yet. I don't know what I'm doing. I gotta explore. I don't know where I am. I am here. I am deck 5, Royal Promenade. So rooms don't open till 1, so I got like 2 hours before rooms open. Okay, what else is going on this deck? We got down here, this is deck 5. Deck 6 is the boardwalk. Deck 8 is Central Park. And then we could go up and check out like the sports court and the pools and see what that stuff looks like. I'm thinking I'm gonna go Central Park. I have a feeling it'll be calmer. Let's go check it out. I have made it to Central Park. You know, the ship version anyway. I think since I'm toting my wheelie luggage around, I'm gonna just find a place to sit for a little bit and relax. Cool, I found myself a seat. It's a nice little people watching spot because not only am I outlooking Central Park over here, but also I'm looking downward. So this is overlooking the rising tide bar, which goes up and down. So you can see it's down right now on the promenade, but it will elevate and come back down. And I can see the Royal Promenade. So excellent, excellent people watching venue. So we have the rising tide, we have Bionic Bar I could see down there. People are milling about. And we have Central Park over here. And then there's rooms with balconies that overlook Central Park. I'm starting to get hungry and I have a few options. I can go to the Windjammer, but because they kind of got everyone here at the same time, like Windjammer's normally busy, I'm expecting to be really busy. So I'm over by Park Cafe, so I can get a salad over there. Or I can go up to Solarium Bistro and see what they have. And that's usually like mini Windjammer. They usually have stuff, but like not quite as much. I'm thinking I'm gonna check that out. Okay, I found the Solarium Bistro. Let's check it out. First step, wash your hands. So we have some soups. We have chicken noodle and potato. We have some toppings and some salad stuff. It's like a build your own stir fry situation. Okay, and we have a create your own salad situation over here. All these different dressings available, breads. Oh, this looks good. We have some grilled eggplant and squash and some manchego cheese. We also have like a chickpea salad and more cheese. This side has more hot food, so we have like steamed rice, we have beef goulash, we have more chickpea stew and some fish. They also have a carving board, which seems very popular. And of course, desserts. We have some fruit, so if you want healthy desserts, or if you want some cake, or some cookies, they got both. So inside the Solarium Bistro, there wasn't a lot of seating. It was pretty packed in there, but I came just outside into the Solarium, and there's tables right here. So I have a nice little table, little elbow room, and some food. Let me show you what I'm nomming on. So I did get the chickpea salad, some grilled eggplant, grilled squash, some cheeses, and some fish. I got about a half hour before the rooms open up. I figure I'll wander around. It is windy. That nor'easter sure is coming in. I don't know if you could hear it. The Solarium, it's got a ceiling, but it's open, so it's like slats. So the wind is kicking in here. So the whirlpool and pools are open. So if you wanted to take advantage, you can, but it's a bit brisk. It's a bit brisk. We got this nor'easter wind blowing around. You can see like the net over there. Yeah, that's blowing. But we also got this great view of New York City. Let me see if I could go down there and show you better. Here is that view of New York City. So you can see like One World Trade and all the FiDi is over here. Because we're really south, looking straight up. And if you look like right there, the Statue of Liberty is right there. I was gonna say the Empire State Building. That is not correct. It is the Statue of Liberty. I think like each cruise port has its own charm, and the charm of New York is we got the Statue of Liberty right there. Oh, look, we got a few water slides on this ship. So we have 2 on this side and 1 on the other side. The other side sort of looks like it has like a fishbowl to it, like a round and round part. Got a couple of swimming pools, couple of hot tubs. Lots and lots to keep us busy. And I'm impressed by my hat. It is staying on despite the winds. I'm impressed. I'm still trying to get my bearings. It's been a while since I've been on an Oasis class ship. So I'm sort of popping by, checking out the maps, checking out where I am, where I'm going, where I've been. Utilizing the tools at my disposal. I'm just meandering. I made it back to the Royal Promenade. Still just waiting for access to my room. Gonna lay the land as it is. The doors to the stateroom areas were open, so I'm going to find my room. Almost to the room. We're almost there. And we are there. This is me, 551. And here's my keys. Let's go check it out. I made it. I've made it to my room. Okay. So, Let me put my stuff down. Let me show you around. We'll explore together because I just walked in the door. So I'm standing right at the door, and I first walked in. I was overheating, so I put my jacket right on my little hand luggage there. And first up, we have our mirror, full length. Hello, everybody. Hello. Then we have another mirror here. Hello again. And let's see, we have this little shelf. This is going to be great for my rings and my sunglasses. Oh, okay. Power port situation. I did say I would give an update on this. This is an improvement. So we have 2 USBs, 1, 2, 3 regular outlets and the international outlet. This is better than some of the older ships, so that is good. We have the literature. I have a little chair here, and a little garbage can is underneath. We have the TV here. Because of my loyalty status, I get welcome waters. They're happy to see me. You get it? See me? Okay. We have hairdryer, tissues. Okay. This is for the art auction. Breakfast. So if you want room service, if you want like continental breakfast, this is no fee. If you want a hot breakfast, there is a fee. That's how that works, and you just kind of put it on your doorknob, and they take care of you. Let's see, we have other drawer, other drawer, other drawer. This should be the cooler, and note it is a cooler, not a refrigerator, because it does not get cold enough to be considered a refrigerator, so just be aware. Okay, we have the bed. Then at the bedside, on this side we have a phone. Let's see, bedside lamp and a little storage. No power ports on that side. Okay, then on this side, we do have a power port and reading lamp. And this should do the overhead light. Yes, that way you don't have to get out of bed to turn the light out. And also storage. And then this is the view from this side of the room. Okay. Then we'll go over here. We have a little couch. So there are like 3 little fanny packs here. When I went on my Alaska cruise, I had like a beach tote waiting for me that I found out after the fact was from my travel agent. So I'm wondering, Larissa, did you hook me up with some fanny packs? Because they gave me a few extra. I'll spread the love. I'll share them. So we got some fanny packs there. Then we have more storage. So we have shelf storage. We have the safe. So that's excellent. And then over here we have another drawer. Then on this side, this is the like hanging closet. So for your fancy night, you have all your hangers here. You also have this, which comes down. So if you want if it's more shirts and trousers as opposed to long dresses, you can split that in half like that. Excellent. I find sometimes there's like extra storage like in a thing over the bed, and I'm like looking and I'm like, this room doesn't have that over the bed kind of thing. So no sneaky storage there. So that's okay. Cool. And this couch is like really deep. This is like I'm sitting, look how much space is still there. So like I can but then look what happens. Look. I feel like a kid. Like if I sit all the way back, my feet don't touch the floor. Okay, enough of that. Bathroom. Let's take a look at the bathroom. So as with most cruise ships, the bathroom has a step up. There's a warning sign on the door. I can't stress this enough. Like this can really trip people up. No pun intended or pun intended. But it's not like a little step. It's like, it's a significant step up. So just be careful. The lights to the bathroom are on the outside of the door. Okay, then we have, is this a rotating thing? Oh, it's an open closey thing. Okay, that's interesting. So we have our shower. We have, this is like the you could hold it, or you could have it in its holder up there. We have the on off, the hot cold, body wash. This is like one of those 3-in-1 or 2-in-1 hair and body wash. Then you have 1, 2, door closing. 1, 2, 3 storage shelves over here, none on this side. So we have the 3 on this side, and then underneath there is a little shelf here with towels and a little disposable thing. I mean, it's a bucket. I don't want to call it a garbage because that's a garbage. So take that as you will. And then we have our towels and our towels and our information for saving the waves. So if you want fresh towels, you could leave them on the floor, but if you're willing to reuse your towels to help save the waves, just hang your towels up. So just for awareness, this is an interior stateroom. On this trip, there are so many cruises where I'm just out and about so much. I don't spend a tremendous amount of time in my stateroom. So I'm just like, I'll take the interior stateroom, I'll save a couple of bucks, it's fine. I don't spend all that much time in my room. I don't get impacted by motion sickness any more or less being an interior as an exterior. So I have an interior stateroom this time. It's like, if the choice is be able to travel more or have a upgraded room, I will take travel more often and have a basic room than travel less often with an upgraded room. That's just my philosophy on it. But this is my room. It meets my needs very well. I have to wait for my luggage to arrive, my check luggage. My hand luggage is here. So I guess for now, I'm just gonna explore the ship. I will do a separate video for like nighttime, like what do I do in the evening kind of activities. And I'll show you the balloon drop later, in that nighttime activity video, because I am planning to go to the balloon drop tonight, but I don't want this video to be like 4 hours long. So we're gonna cut here. I'll see you all real soon. And until then, stay inspired. Bye, everyone. Take care. So bonus footage for day 1, right? I mentioned there was a nor'easter coming in and they asked us all to get here early to get on the ship so we can get out of Dodge. We didn't get here fast enough. So they just made an announcement. We're not leaving tonight. They're keeping the boat docked until tomorrow. We don't know what time we're heading out yet. They said, they're monitoring the storm, and as soon as it's safe to do so, we will move out. So I'm on the boat, but still spending it in a cloudy, cold, stormy New York. But it's all good. It's all good. I'm just taking it in stride. But so just an update, right? One thing that I can say, you always have to be flexible, right? Weather is unpredictable. It's not in anybody's control. So we go with the flow. I'm here. I'm chilling. Just gonna enjoy it for what it is.